Those
that are functioning
selon l'ordre divin.
According to the divine plan. Those that are functioning
selon
according
alignement,
to the alignment,
selon
according
attachement,
to the attachment,
selon
according
connexion
to the connection
avec bon Dieu,
with God.
prospérité dans la ville,
their prosperity in their life has a season.
Prospérité dans la ville,
prosperity in their life,
it
has a season.
Matin dans premier service,
this morning in the first service, I spoke
de plan bon Dieu,
about the plan of God. But I want to tell someone right now, the prosperity of God has a season.
Dans Somme 1er,
in Psalm 1,
le verset 3,
verse 3,
on nous dit, il donne son fruit.
He said, he shall be like.
En sa saison.
He gives his fruit in his season.
Matin, je parlé.
This morning I spoke. If you want to hear about the planted, I spoke about planted. Because a tree does not plant itself. A tree has a person who plants it. Because people does not plant any type of tree. A person plants a tree that they know that's going to be abused. And because the Lord knows what you mean to him, He plants you since heaven for you to bear fruit in the time that He reserved. He gives His fruit in His season. The Bible does not say the tree gives fruit all the time. What I'm saying is very strong. The text does not say He gives fruit and every day. But the text says He brings forth fruit.
Il donne son fruit.
He brings fruit in its season. That means He gives fruit in its season. Everyone here, they have a season in their life for them to bear fruit. Because you could gossip when that season comes for them to bear fruit. Even if there's windstorm, they could not lose that fruit. They cannot lose the fruit. They cannot lose the plant. Because it's a season that they have to come. That means prosperity is not always immediately. Prosperity
pas toujours fait immédiat.
Does not always happen immediately. It takes in the season. And the season of the Lord is forming your character. There's season where the Lord is training your faithfulness. There's some place, there's season in your life. The Lord is preparing your capacity. Because in this season, you could feel as if your life is stepping back. You could feel as if your life is dark. You can feel as if your life ends. You can even feel that some people that's going further than you.
C'est pas en question de temps.
C'est pas
en question de valeur. C'est pas en question de durée. C'est une question de saison. C'est une question de saison. Regardez-moi le bon côté là. Dis pour moi, cette saison-là. Cette saison-là. Cette saison-là.
Wait for your season.